Happy New Year, everybody. It is the 2nd of January 2024. Here's the Astro Excel coming for the week ahead. Notice how we were just under the plus 10 line, flatlining last week with slight downward pressure. Now we're hitting a point here where we're getting a little bit of a downdrift to the minus 20 line. That's going to go into the evening and bottom out around 1 a.m. on the 3rd. And then we have upward pressure all the way through the day tomorrow until we get into the early morning of the 4th. Around 1:30, 2 a.m. we top out here just above the plus 10 line, and then we're flatlining all the way through the day Thursday, and then we start to drift down into a little sideways pattern through the day on Friday. Notice the blue line is also kind of flat and choppy at that point as we come into Friday. The extremes on the blue line, the first important one that hasn't passed already is tonight, 1950, early AM around 4 a.m. We've got that spike low. Then about 1540 to 1550 near the day session close tomorrow, we have that spike top. Then we have it about 3 a.m. on the 4th. Spike bottom at 10 a.m. It's really the only important one inside the day session. It'll be at a tradable time. Then in the evening at 1930 area on the 4th. And then this last one is this little low in the evening of the 4th, about 22:25 or so. So that's a look at the Astro Excel for the rest of the week ahead.